Hi everyone, I got a story for y'all today. So my client booked for butt length medium knotless braids. We scheduled the appointment and she came in for the service. I was caught off guard because her hair was short and I didn't know. When she was booking, she didn't mention it and I didn't ask either, so I would say it's my fault. Moving on, I started her service and it included a shampoo. So I shampooed her hair, moisturized it, and started braiding. So I'm gonna give a tip here. Braiders, if you're braiding short hair, especially if it's natural hair, use a thicker gel. I started using Shine and Jam and it just wasn't working, so I had to switch over to a thicker gel, and that worked pretty okay. I almost gave up at some point, not because I can't braid short hair. I've braided short hair a couple of times, but then it's because I was caught off guard. I wasn't prepared to do short hair, but then I couldn't send her back because NBLX we don't disappoint, so I had to get it done. I'm a braider, so I did. Like and comment.